Alright everybody, welcome back to another diag. Today we're going to be going over this here Chevy Equinox. Basically they have issues with the vacuum pump, like grenading, and then also it gets so hot that it takes the reluctor wheel that's on the end of the camshaft and it spins it out of time. This little thing should be perfectly in line with that guy. You got to remove the valve cover to see that, but I'll show you another way to kind of get a good idea. Alright, well, first thing that I noticed and I want to bring up is it actually started for some reason and came into the bay for me, so you didn't have to push it or anything. But there's no brake booster. The brake booster right here gets its vacuum through this vacuum pump. The vacuum pump, when we took it apart, obviously it was grenaded, and that's why I didn't have any brake booster. And I also noticed, because I took this out to see if the reluctor spun, and it did. That's what the reluctor is. But I also noticed that it would run with the camshaft unplug and out. Which makes me think that, just like the TSB says, that the reluctor has turned, probably due to heat, which you can tell that this cover got hot at one point because it looks like that. So I guess for your DIY guys, if your brake pedal is hard as a sumbitch and your car won't start, unplug this thing and see if it starts. And basically you're probably going to need a camshaft and a vacuum pump, and you need to make sure, because these get damaged. I don't know if I'll be able to show you, but I can turn this pretty good, and you gotta inspect in there, make sure no metal bits have gotten down and possibly damaged anything. There's probably going to be a bunch sitting in here. So the TSB number I showed you over there, just Google it and it'll come up. You don't have to be somebody special to look at it. And yeah, that's your Chevy Equinox. And to take the valve cover off, you're probably going to Google it, because I don't think I've had to take one of these off yet, and I'm not going to tell you how. Bonus is on the mouse house. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.